Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you on how to create a bookmark using Opera web browser. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. I'm here in my desktop, Windows 7 32-bit version. So in the desktop, we have here a shortcut or icon of Opera browser. So we have to double click in order to our Opera browser to execute. Okay, let's wait. Okay, it is running already. So for example, we want to make a bookmark of a website of Yahoo, no? So we type Yahoo, let's say US, by default yahoo.com. Press the enter key from our keyboard. Okay, so to make a bookmark in Opera browser, we simply click this heart icon. It will pop up a tooltip, add to bookmarks. When we click, automatically we have already a bookmark. Click done, and then when we open a new tab, we can click this one, the newly bookmark that we have, usyahoo.com. We simply click it, it will display the website of Yahoo, no, .com in the US. That's it. That's easy to create or add a bookmark using Opera web browser. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope that you have learned something new in a short video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.